How to import emails from another Thunderbird profile. There are various methods for importing. Let's start with a simple and basic method. This works when you want to move emails from one Thunderbird profile to another. But the condition is that both profiles must be added in the same Thunderbird application. First, open Thunderbird. On the left panel, you'll see both profiles listed. Now, search and select the emails you want to move to the other profile. Right-click on the selected emails, then go to the Move to option in the menu. From there, choose the profile and the folder where you want to move the emails. You can also move them to a local folder if needed. In this example, we'll move the emails to the spam folder of the other profile. After that, go to the folder you selected to verify that the emails have been moved. As you can see, the emails are now being transferred. Keep in mind, if you're moving a large number of emails, this process may take some time. Let's move on to the second method. If you have installed Thunderbird on a new computer or laptop and want to access emails from your old device, then follow this process. On your old system that contains the emails, press Windows+R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type %AppData Thunderbird profiles and click OK. Here, you'll see multiple folders, each representing a different Thunderbird profile. If there are two folders, it means two profiles exist. You'll need to identify and choose the correct profile that contains your email data, otherwise, the wrong data may get transferred. Once you've found the right folder, right-click on it and compress it into a zip file. In this example, we're using WinRAR, but you can use any zip tool you prefer. After creating the zip file, copy it and transfer it to your new computer or laptop. Now, on your new system, download and install Thunderbird. After installation, add any email account. Any account will do, as it's just needed to create a new profile folder for Thunderbird. Once that's done, Thunderbird will automatically generate a new profile and create a corresponding profile folder on your system. To access it, press Windows+R to open the Run dialog box again, and type %AppData Thunderbird profiles, then click OK. Open the newly created profile folder. Next, delete all the contents inside this folder. Note: if you're unable to delete the files, make sure Thunderbird is completely closed. Now, open the zip file you transferred from your old system. Open it and select all the files and folders inside. Then, drag and drop or copy them into the new profile folder. Once done, launch Thunderbird again. You'll now see that all your data and emails from the old system have been successfully imported. However, keep in mind that this method also imports your old Thunderbird settings and configurations, not just emails. So, if you only want to transfer emails and nothing else, consider using the third method instead. Open Thunderbird on your old system where the emails are stored. At the top right, click on the menu icon, also known as the hamburger or three-line button. From the drop-down menu, select Add-ons and Themes. In the Add-ons window, click on Extensions from the left panel. Now, in the Find More Add-ons search bar, type ImportExportTools.ng and press Enter. Once the extension appears, click on Add to Thunderbird on the right side. Then click on Add in the confirmation prompt at the top. After that, the ImportExportTools.ng extension will be visible in the Manage Your Extensions section. Next, choose the email folder you want to export. We'll select this one as an example. Right-click on the folder, scroll down to ImportExportTools.ng, and select Export Folder and then click on as Mbox file. Click OK when prompted, then choose the destination where you want the Mbox file to be saved. After selecting the location, click Select Folder to start the export. Now, open the folder where the Mbox file was exported. Copy the file and transfer it to your new computer or laptop where you want to import the emails into Thunderbird. How to import emails from another Thunderbird profile. Note: make sure the ImportExportTools.ng extension is also installed in Thunderbird on the new system, as it's required to import the emails. Now, in Thunderbird on your new system, go to the left panel and right-click on Local Folders. Scroll down and select ImportExportTools.ng, then choose Import Mbox File. In the prompt that appears, select Individual Mbox File or All More Mbox Files. Now, browse to the Mbox file you transferred from your old system, select it, and click the Open button. And that's it. As you can see, the emails are imported within seconds. And that's it. That's how you can import emails from another Thunderbird profile using different methods.